What's up, y'all? So today I have me an Aquaillumination's Blade LED that I'll be installing and reviewing. In particular, this is the 12-inch Coral Glow model. They have 4 different models. They have the Coral Glow, the Coral Grow, the Refugium, and the Freshwater. Now this one has a lot of the UV and royal blue spectrums that make your corals pop in color. The Coral Grow has a lot of the classic blue and white that you would see on your typical reef tank. And your Refugium has a lot of that red spectrum that makes your algae grow like crazy. And your Freshwater is oriented around that more white aesthetic. First things first, I do have an Aquaillumination's Prime installed up here, and I'll be adding this as a supplemental light. They're selling these as supplemental lights. They can be quite strong. If you have a couple of these on your tank, they can be your main source of light. It might get a little pricey. Now these lights have what they call passive cooling. They have no fans or parts that need cleaning. The long and short of it is they do get a little hot, but not quite as hot as other lights would if they didn't have fans. So here's our light. Now this is a 12-inch. They have it all the way up until a 66-inch. And it's basically just more of these clusters, they call them. Now this light does have a button here that allows you to demo the light. Basically you have 3 different, well actually a few different settings of intensity. So I'm just going to place it right there for now. And this button is useful for exactly this reason, demonstrations. So let's take a close look. So this is with the light off, and there's me adding intensity. Overall, I think this is a great light. It's a great bang for your buck, and it's got passive cooling. You don't have to worry about sound or cleaning a lot of compartments of the light. It's pretty self-explanatory and easy setup on the app. It's honestly a win-win, and I'm trying it out in my tank. I've tried it out in some frag tanks at work, and it's been working out great.